Hello, welcome to BackToCoding. For better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about what is a cursor adapter and how is it more efficient than the array adapter. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. A cursor adapter is just like an array adapter, except instead of getting its data from an array, it reads the data from a cursor. Let's look at how it works. Let's pretend that our database is a lot larger. For example, let's say coffee shop massively extended its range of coffees for the market. Instead of 3 types of coffee, the different combinations of extra shots, milk and granola sprinkles might mean that we need to store much more drinks in the database. The list view can only display a limited number of items at one time. On a small device, it might only initially show, say, the first 11 coffees. If we were using an array, we would have to read all the coffees from the database into the array before we could display any on the screen. That's not how it works with a cursor adapter. First, the list view gets displayed on the screen. When the list is first displayed, it will be sized to fit the screen. Let's say it has space to show 5 items. Second, the list view asks its adapter for the first 5 items. The list view doesn't know where the data is coming from, whether it's an array or a database, but it does know that it will be given the data by its adapter. So it makes a request to the adapter for the first 5 drinks. Third, the cursor adapter asks its cursor to read 5 rows from the database. A cursor adapter is given a cursor when it's constructed and it will ask the cursor for data only when it needs it. Fourth, the cursor reads the first 5 rows from the database. Even though the database table contains 300 rows, the cursor only needs to read the first 5. That's a lot more efficient and it means that the screen can start displaying data much sooner. Five, the user scrolls the list. As the user scrolls the list, the cursor adapter asks the cursor to read a few more rows from the database. If the user scrolls the list just a little and uncovers one new item, the cursor will read one more row from the database. So a cursor adapter is a lot more efficient than the array adapter. It only reads the data it needs. That means it's faster and takes up less memory, and speed and memory are both important things to keep in mind. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.